We not only got alfalfa, but we scored 4 bales of primo grass hay. Cream of the crop. James says it smells like heaven, and the horses love it. Morning, guys. How you doing today, Ruby? So Ruby, I called her Rachel. I'm not going to be able to video though because of the wind, it sounds like. Are you hungry, girls? Getting your food now. Yep. Hold on, baby girl. He's getting the food. He's getting it. Come here, Diamond. Get some alfalfa. There you go. Dutch kick you off? Huh? He'll be back with the grass too. Just a speck of alfalfa. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. It's a boy. It's a boy. Yeah, it's mud season. Time to... Good morning, my tire pile and future home. When we get you built, you will be beautiful. These are all the jars and cans and other supplies we're collecting for when we build the Earth ship. This is just junk that was left on the property. We used that for that one video, remember? Hi, guineas. Oh, there's an egg right down in there. Why'd you lay it in the muck? None up in here. They laid it down in the muck. Morning, kids. Ready to come out? Looks like they tore off a piece of one of the curtains and drug it out here. That's nice, guys. You ruined your perfectly good curtains. See what I mean about perfectly good curtains? And over here. use two hands to get your food untied. Unraveling him since he raveled up a little bit. Usually the way we have that chain he hasn't been, but a couple times lately he's found a way to get wound up.
Where they've been digging. So as you can see from the video, got a little bit of snow last night, and pretty muddy and slick out here. We were supposed to go take the horses into the vet, but the pickup we have to pull the horse trailer, the four-wheel drive doesn't work on it, so we're stuck. I'm having a hard time in the old gray mare here in four-wheel drive, but I can't pull that trailer, the gooseneck, with this pickup because I can't use the hitch on this one. So yeah, doesn't look like the vet visit is going to happen today. Hopefully we can get it rescheduled for next week, which I got to work on Wednesday next week, so that probably won't be able to happen at that point, but maybe we can get some stuff moved around and we can try to get them done at the beginning of next week. That's a hope anyway, so we'll see what happens.
The other option is we can run down towards Thermopolis, grab my mom's horse trailer, if we can get in and out of that place with this.
Well, this I can't take on the highway.
Oh, yeah.
That's the bad part. It'd be a slow trip. Oh, and I don't have a receiver on this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I do on the front. For moving trailers around.
Shoot.
I didn't build it.
Ugh. And the excursions broke down.
Yeah. Typical Ford wiring harness. So, yeah. Kind of sunk right now.
All right.
Weep.